I am so excited to help you and all your friends get the most beautiful brows this holiday season with the Red Carpet Brow Kit. Whether you're getting this brow kit for yourself, your friends, your family, or for everyone, you are going to have the most beautiful red carpet ready brows. With the holidays coming fast, this is the perfect gift and you are going to make your friends so happy. Not only are all of the products beautiful, they are high quality and they work incredibly. This kit comes in light, medium, and dark so that everyone can use it, and it includes the brow pomade, brow lights camera action highlighter, an angled brush, and the brow defining gel. In this kit, we are introducing a luxurious two-sided pencil where one end is creamy and has a softer blend, and the other end has a shimmery finish to highlight under the brow and brighten. The Brow Lights Camera Action Dual Brow Highlighter is a game changer. It is going to help you shine in your next bright-eyed moment or your next starring role. Now that you have your red carpet brow kit, let's learn how to use it. We are going to start out by brushing our brow hairs upward with the spoolie part of the brush. Next up, we're taking the brow pomade and the angled brush to start filling in our brows. I like to start lightly and then build it up a little bit darker as we go and just map out my natural brow. You can mimic the directions that your brow hairs are already going with the angled brush. Take your highlight pencil and start with the matte end of the pencil. Taking the pencil, trace under your brow, and this is going to clean up any excess product and give it a nice defined line while also highlighting your brow bone. You can take your finger just to blend it out a little bit if you would like. Flipping to the other end of the pencil is the shimmery highlight side. I just go under my brow with that to give it a little extra shine. We are going to lock our brows in place with this clear brow gel. I like to brush my brows upward and outward. And we are red carpet ready. Now that our brows are Hollywood ready, let's walk down the red carpet together.